Welcome to day 2, or perhaps it's still your first day and you're powering through. We are going to talk about 2 ways to model problem-solving skills for your child. The first strategy is narrating your problem-solving attempts in the context of play and daily routines. The second strategy is to use growth mindset statements. Let's dive into the first strategy, which is to narrate your problem-solving attempts throughout play, routines, and everyday life. This might sound like this. I have a problem. I can't seem to find my keys. How am I going to solve this problem? I'm going to check the spots where I usually put them first. Or, I have a problem. I forgot to pick up the sauce for the pizza. Let me figure out what I can make for dinner instead. We like to model using the phrase, I have a problem, and state the problem out loud, and then continue to narrate the steps towards solving the problem. In addition to modeling and narrating the actions you take towards solving problems, we also recommend using growth mindset statements. Let's briefly dive into the topic of growth mindset. Have you heard of growth mindset? The concept of growth mindset was developed by Dr. Carol Dweck, and here's what she has to say about it. For 20 years, my research has shown that the view you adopt for yourself profoundly affects the way you lead your life. It can determine whether you become the person you want to be and whether you accomplish the things you value. In order to understand what a growth mindset is, it is most helpful to compare it to its opposite, a fixed mindset. In a growth mindset, people believe that their most basic abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. Brains and talents are just the starting point. This view creates a love of learning and a resilience that is essential for great accomplishment. In a fixed mindset, people believe their basic qualities like their intelligence or talent are simply fixed traits. They spend their time documenting their intelligence or talent instead of developing them. They also believe that talent alone creates success without effort. There are significant benefits to your child developing a growth mindset, including increased confidence, increased responsivity to feedback, a belief in the control over their own learning, seeing challenges and failures as opportunities to learn, and increased motivation, achievement, and happiness. So now that we've discussed the difference between a growth mindset and a fixed mindset and the benefits of a growth mindset, let's circle back to how this relates to our current topic, problem solving. You may have guessed it, problem solving skills and related skills like flexibility, persistence, and resilience are key aspects of a growth mindset. As parents, you want to model language related to growth mindset as opposed to a fixed mindset. Here are some examples of growth mindset and fixed mindset statements. Examples of fixed mindset statements include, I'm not good at this. This is too hard. I can't do this. I quit. Examples of growth mindset statements include, how do I get better at this? I can do hard things. Let's try a different way. Mistakes help me learn. I can solve my problem. Pause the video right now and read the examples of growth mindset language one more time. Choose 2 to 3 phrases that you can incorporate into your interactions with your child over the next few weeks. Additionally, consider rephrasing any fixed mindset statements you hear your child make into growth mindset statements. For example, if your child says, I can't do this, or this is too hard, you can rephrase to, we can do hard things. Before we conclude day 2, we want to mention our course on growth mindset. If this topic interests you and you'd like to set your child up for success in relationships, school, and later on in the workplace, and encourage their overall motivation, achievement, and happiness, check out our course on growth mindset. We'll include a link to the course page at the end of this course. This concludes day 2 on how to model problem-solving skills. We'll see you next on day 3, where we show you how to use your child's favorite characters and books to promote problem-solving skills.